Puppy's first outdoor out of the, other than in there. This is their first time out in the backyard. And they choose to sit in the dirt pile and nurse. Are you having fun, Rose? This does not look like fun. Rose. Hey, Rose. Hey, Rose. She won't even look at me. Are you hot? She's hot. Hey, sweetie. Hey, baby. Look at all them babies. Eating, eating, eating. Who's not in? Oh, she was missing out. Listen to him. There's not 10 nipples, so always some get left out. And I got one. Spruha's running around the back side trying to find one. Oz is Cozumel. That's about 8. Yeah.